Hi, thank you.
You guys are doing good?
Nice to meet you. Yeah, okay. Rock here. Okay, rock this. Yeah, one more please. Flower. One more please. Follow me. Follow me. Flower. There. Okay. Yeah, rock here. Okay, rock this. Yeah. Follow me.
Oh, what do you, okay, there we go. I don't know how to pose, I'm being awkward, it's early.
Okay, nice. Yeah,
I'm
video.
so sleepy, sorry guys. I need to go take a nap.
还有一个米奇的，对。
I'll see you guys later.
Okay, welcome to Shanghai.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow! 哇哦！他把它纹在了腿上，睡美人。哇哦 ，so cool！
I'm gonna get Ariel here, and then you're gonna go right here, and then Amana. Yeah, I have Belle right here, and Cinderella right here too. Yeah, but I have your flower here too. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Amana. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you. we're doing a room tour of the Shanghai Disneyland Hotel. This is a standard garden view room now. I think the view is a lot better than a garden view room, but let's go ahead and show you the room tour. So first thing you walk into is the bathroom. There is a bidet, love that. And then this beautiful artwork from, I think this is from Fantasia, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, I have no idea. And then you have Tinkerbell right here on the mirror. Very lovely lily pads. They have these cups. I took one. I don't know if you're supposed to, but they say Shanghai Disneyland on it. And then the shower curtain has a bunch of Mickeys with a bathtub. And then this absolutely beautiful robe. This robe is so beautiful. Come out, and then there is another artwork, and then you have a closet here which comes equipped with some slippers and a baby robe and a lot of storage space, so you can definitely fit your suitcases in here. I was able to do that. And then you turn around and you have a full body mirror in complete airport outfit. We're heading to our next destination, but this room has been lived in, so just bear with it. First things first is the TV. They did add some movies on here. There's not a lot, but I was able to watch most of the Avengers, a lot of princess movies and things like that. And you also have a fridge right here, your own coffee maker. And then it is I would say these are double beds. Very comfortable. I was very comfortable. In Asia, some of the beds can be very, very hard. The bedding, like the comforter, was very warm too, wasn't thin, so I absolutely loved that. And it was really soft. So definitely high quality of sleep I got. I was knocked out. And then here is the outlet situation. So you have a USB-C and a USB, and then all different types of ports if you're coming from different parts of the world. This controls the lighting in the entire room. And then this is to open and close the curtains. So like that. And then opens it right back up. So then this button right here does something so magical. Look at that. How cool is that? I pressed this like 80 million times. I loved it so much. And then over here, you have a desk and then the same outlet situation. So a lot of outlets, some Kleenex. You have Minnie here playing a harp. And then this is the view that I was talking about. I'm going to have to get another footage of me zooming in, but that's the castle. And then you have Donald Butt, of course. You can also see Zootopia, and you can see Raging Spirits or Raging Rapids. I don't know what it's called here, but it's like the Grizzly River Run at Disneyland. And then Downtown Disney as well, and a little bit of the Shanghai skyline. Then there's a little bit of construction work going on, so I don't know if they consider this the garden, but if this is a garden view, I love this. But yeah, so this is going to be an overall pan over of the room. Overall, I would give my stay here a 9 out of 10. I just wish there was a little bit more food options in terms of quick service. There's only one quick service area, and that was the Ballet Cafe that you guys saw. It wasn't too much, like I wasn't able to get like snacks or anything. So, there were like some candies and stuff like that, but they are like really big on ice cream here. I don't know what the deal is with the gelato. But overall, it was a great stay. The ferry to get to Disney is so quick. The only thing is that I wish that it ran before 2. So you have to take the bus from 7 a.m. to the park close, but the ferry starts at 2 to park close. So but I think that's also because you do the early entry at the end of the Disney Town area here. So other than that, I'm going to stay here again. I 100% will stay here again. I think it was 1000% worth the splurge, especially because you get that hour early entry. And we're going to talk a little bit more about planning Shanghai Disneyland in a different video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this resort tour. If you liked this content, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps the channel. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.